So what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today guys we are back on Keydrop with $984 on balance. So guys, if you're looking for 10% deposit bonus and free 50 cents for new users on Keydrop, let's join under my promo code. How to join? You just need to connect your Steam account, press on deposit at top right corner, enter code Razor Affiliate in a promo code box and click on apply. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by skins, Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, gift cards and more. Also you can press on get free guys and you can press on free gold. You can scroll down and you can find some requirements how to claim some free golds. Easy steps guys. For example, you can follow Keydrop on Instagram and you can claim 19 golds. You can join on Facebook group and you can claim 31. You can follow Keydrop on Twitter and you can claim 12 golds guys. With this gold you can open some cases. You just need to press on your gold balance at top right corner and you can find all of these cases that you can open for these golds. I have like 20k on my balance, so we'll open this case for 13k and let's see. Okay, $1 voucher. It's bad but it's free guys, so let's check it out. Also when you press on get free you can press on daily case guys and you can do free daily case opening. I'm level 1, so we'll open last one and I get voucher. Okay, you can scroll down and you can find some requirements how to level up. Easy steps guys. For example, to unlock level 6 you just need to upgrade one skin, minimum $80. You need to raid case battle for a minimum $60 and you need to deposit $40 in one day and you can unlock level 6. Keydrop is lootbox site where you can play case opening, case battles, you can upgrade your skins, you can exchange your skins, you can play some other games. I'll show you how it works. Also on Keydrop you can join on events and giveaways guys. I really like design of these new cases. $74 this case battle cost. Let's try this time 4-way. We'll try underdog mode guys. We need only cheap skins in this mod, so let's try with underdog. Okay, 3 bots and Razor. Let's see, only 5 cases guys. $74 cost this case battle. Come on man, can we win this one? We need cheap skins, bullshit skins. Let's see. No way, no fucking way bro. Shadow Daggers Dopplers, holy shit. What unlucky case battle, look at this. What Eva is winner I think, no. What Lilo maybe? Oh my god, that's so unlucky. Yep. Bot Lilo is winner with $24 and he won close to $600. Oh my god. Let's create same one. Okay, let's play against a bot Tom, bot Lepaji and bot Lilo. 5 cases, same case battle. Come on bro. Give me cheap skins, cheap skins. Give them knife now. Okay. That's bad. Now wait, how much is this AK? $15. Am I in the lead? No, I'm not. Okay, now. Yeah, it's close one bro. Last one. Please. Okay. I won this one I think. 195. I won definitely bro. That's huge profit. Huge profit from 74 to 195. Nice. Let's do one PvP case battle. We'll try with these knives cases. We'll do 2 of these and we'll do classic mode PvP. Yeah, let's create this one and start with bot, hoping for karambit or butterfly or something. First pull bet $79. Last one, please. No, fuck it, same. Okay, let's see who is winner. Stop on left side, bro. Stop on left side. Let's create same one. This time we'll play against a bot Tom. Come on, bro. Okay, that's not bad I think. 104, okay. Give same knives now. Same knives. It's win, I think. Yeah, it's easy win. 349 $49 profit. That's low profit, but okay. Let's try to upgrade some skins. We'll try to hit some 2x's. Let's try with all of these cheap skins. We'll do 2x, maybe this glows. Commander glows right side. Yeah, I missed first one. Never mind. Let's do one more try. 2x. Huh, this knife. Skeleton knife stained. Right side. Can we hit one upgrade, bro? Can we hit one upgrade? So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, you can always leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Twitter, Razor affiliate, for daily giveaways and more content. And also you can join on Keydrop under my promo code Razor affiliate. So that's it for this video, and see you tomorrow. Bye.